We were dry today across the borderland, but we are tracking another storm system off to our west that's going to make its way into our region around Tuesday. That's going to kick up some showers, plus another cold front from the east. That's going to drop our temperatures to well below normal once again. So if you're a fan of those fall-like temperatures, we've got more on the way. We're dry across the borderland, like I mentioned right now. Early warning storm track Doppler radar tracking a few spotty showers really well to the north of us in Otero County, Doña Ana County staying dry, as well as El Paso, and no showers off to our west where a lot of the moisture still remains, and that's what we're going to be tapping into as we head toward later into the week. You can see the satellite picture shows a good bit of cloud cover off to our north and out to our west, but we have some pretty clear skies, expecting mostly clear to partly cloudy skies tonight. Look at what we did for our temperatures today. 84 degrees. We were at 71 yesterday, well below average, and we still remain below average, but we had a lot more sunshine today and more stable air as well. So that allowed us to heat up nicely to 84 degrees. Started off this morning, though, pretty chilly, relatively speaking, at 60 degrees. Our record set back in 1973, 99 degrees. Looks like we'll be staying out of the 90s, at least for the next 24 to 48 hours. Look at the temperatures at the airport in El Paso, 79 degrees, 10 degrees cooler in Las Cruces at 69, 71 in Deming, 65 degrees in TRC. Those winds are much lighter across the region right now. Everybody coming in to the single digits, including Alamogordo at 6 miles per hour there. You can see the futurecast shows cloud cover across Las Cruces. El Paso going to see a few more stars tonight. Some showers up into the Gila. These showers moving in a northerly direction because all of the moisture and the winds coming out of the south, and that will remain the case over the next 48 hours. As we head toward your Tuesday, you can see that cloud cover starts to build in, as well as the showers. Some of the heavier rain starting off in the higher elevations toward your Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday evening is when we will start to see more showers across the region. Tonight, though, we expect pretty dry conditions, partly cloudy skies, and it's going to be chilly. You can keep those windows open. 65 in Socorro, 63 degrees in Fabens as we head toward your Monday. 89 in Socorro, 90 though, still pretty warm in Fabens. 60 in Chaparral, 61 White Sands. And look at the temperatures tomorrow into the mid-80s in both locations there. Partly cloudy skies, partly cloudy overnight. 62 degrees in Anthony and 86 the expected high tomorrow, and 88 in Sunland Park. In El Paso, that token chance of showers, but I think we're not going to see much in the way of raindrops. 63 degrees our overnight low, partly cloudy skies. Those winds will be out of the east about 5 to 10 miles per hour, switching out of the southeast tomorrow, 5 to 10 miles per hour, 88. So more seasonable temperatures as we start off your work week under partly cloudy skies. 59 degrees in Las Cruces with a 10% chance of showers, and as we head toward Monday, 83 degrees the expected high. Winds out of the northeast about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We do warm up back to that 90-degree mark on Tuesday. 20% chance of showers, partly cloudy skies. Those overnight lows also getting back into the 70s in Las Cruces. 86 your expected high on Tuesday, with a 20% chance of showers. Still your overnight lows into the mid-60s. The bottom line, folks, is we are going to be cool tonight, warmer tomorrow, again average temperatures, and then we're tracking that storm system as well as another cold front. How far those temperatures will drop because of that cold front is just ahead with your 5-day forecast, with the weekend always in view.